Are you facing data loss issues in Brisbane, Queensland? Your search ends here. The Nerdcore team offers outstanding data recovery solutions for clients in Brisbane, Queensland, and nearby suburbs. With extensive experience, we are the leading specialists in recovering data from various loss scenarios. Rely on our professionals to retrieve your valuable data efficiently. Since 2008, the Nerdcore Group has been the trusted provider of personalized data recovery solutions in Brisbane, Queensland. Whether it involves critical business data or personal files, our in-house tools and advanced clean rooms provide the best chance for same-day data recovery. Don't let data loss disrupt your week. Depend on our proven track record to recover your data. We offer comprehensive data recovery services, addressing a wide array of needs in Brisbane, Queensland, and surrounding areas. We deliver high-quality recovery services for various devices, including hard disk drives. Hard drive failures may result from physical damage or software issues. Our experts are adept in both hardware and software repairs to help you recover lost data efficiently. Solid-state drive data recovery poses unique challenges due to limited read or write operations and sensitive components. The Nerdcore team has mastered successful recovery techniques for various SSD models to ensure your data's safety. Your data recovery solution is here. Don't let data loss become a permanent issue. Contact the Nerdcore team today for industry-leading data recovery services in Brisbane, Queensland, and nearby areas. Trust our expertise to recover your data efficiently and securely. To recover your valuable data today, visit our website for a quick quote or call 1300 637 326.